Here are some highlights of the July issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. Beneath the streets, Vancouver's sewers are doing more than carrying waste, they're heating thousands of homes. Find out how city sludge became a renewable energy goldmine. This revolutionary tech could redefine how your utility sees wastewater. 2 pipes, 1 smart move. Peel Region doubled down on sewer flow, literally by twinning a major trunk line, giving crews room to blast, repair, and future-proof the system without stopping the flow. Here's how it paid off big. California students imagined a world where sewer crews are out of luck and out of water. Their bold, eerie visions might just be a glimpse of what's coming. New homes mean more flow. Can your pumps keep up? One Idaho town just installed a lift station built to grow with demand. Here's how it's setting the standard for smooth sewer service and zero callouts. High-pressure sewer work leaves zero room for error. Here are 5 no BS reasons to stay sharp, stay safe, and make it home in one piece. Set it and forget it? Not with control valves. Neglect one and you could blow a line or flood a street. Here's what every sewer and water crew needs to know to keep ACVs running smooth and disasters off your shift. From heavy-hitting cable machines to no-nonsense cutting nozzles and powerful jetters, this lineup is built to blast through your worst blockages and keep city sewers flowing smooth. Big mains need big valves, and Mueller's new 60 and 66-inch resilient wedge gate valves deliver serious muscle with less effort. All this and more is in the July issue, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.